Welcome back. In today's video, I'll guide you how to bring back the Android back button. If your phone recently switched to gesture navigation and you miss the traditional navigation buttons, don't worry. You can easily restore the classic back, home, and recent apps buttons in just minutes. Let's begin. Start by opening the Settings app on your Android device. Once you are inside Settings, tap on the search bar at the top of the screen. Type Navigation bar, System Navigation, or Gestures depending on your device model. As the results appear, tap on the correct navigation settings option. Inside the navigation menu, you will usually see two choices: Gesture Navigation and 3-button navigation. Gesture Navigation allows you to swipe on the screen, while 3-button navigation brings back the traditional Android buttons. Simply select 3-button navigation to enable the classic setup. Your phone may take a few seconds to apply the changes. Once completed, the familiar back button will immediately appear at the bottom of your display along with the home and recent apps buttons. This layout is especially useful for users who prefer easier one-tap controls instead of swipe gestures. Some Android phones also include a More Options or Button Layout section. From there, you can customize the button order, change the navigation style, or adjust additional settings for a more comfortable experience. That's all you need to do. Your Android back button is now fully restored and ready to use. I hope this tutorial helped you solve the problem quickly and easily. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Android tips, tricks, and helpful tutorials.